Mastering basic analytics reports involves transforming raw data into compelling visual stories. This process requires selecting reliable data sources, identifying meaningful metrics, and employing effective visualization techniques. These elements are crucial for crafting narratives that drive business decisions and deliver actionable insights. Analytics reporting converts raw data into insights that drive strategic decisions and assess performance. Key components include reliable data sources, meaningful metrics, and effective visualization. The creation process involves extracting data, analyzing patterns, visualizing insights, and sharing results with stakeholders. Understanding your reporting context is crucial. Define your audience. Technical teams need detailed metrics, while executives prefer high-level summaries. Identify key questions like performance trends and resource focus. For instance, a salary trends dashboard for data scientists offers detailed breakdowns, whereas a chief executive officer summary highlights average salaries and growth percentages. Bar charts are ideal for comparing categorical data, like sales by region. Line charts effectively display trends over time, such as revenue growth. Use stacked bar charts to show composition, while clustered bars allow side-by-side category comparisons. Prioritize simplicity by avoiding decorative elements that distract from key insights. Connect to databases using CQL or APIs like GitHub's REST API to retrieve datasets. Write queries to fetch specific data subsets, filtering by date ranges or categories. For large datasets, use pagination and aggregation to manage data efficiently. Example: select region, sum sales. From sales data, where date greater than or equal to 2024-01-01, group by region, order by total sales desk. This Python script demonstrates fetching data from GitHub's REST API. Use personal access tokens for secure authentication. Parse JSON responses to extract commit messages, author information, and timestamps. The script fetches commits using requests, displaying key details for analysis. This approach highlights real-world data extraction techniques essential for effective data querying. Power BI provides a drag-and-drop interface with extensive data connectors and advanced analytics. Tableau excels in creating stunning interactive dashboards with an intuitive design. Quarto combines Markdown, Python, and R for reproducible publication quality documents. Axinator allows graphical report creation by dragging fields to a chart canvas, eliminating coding needs. Creating interactive dashboards involves dynamic filtering, allowing users to slice data by date, category, or region in real time. Drill-down functionality lets users explore detailed data from summary metrics. Real-time updates ensure dashboards refresh automatically with new data. Cross-filtering updates related visualizations when data is selected in one chart, enhancing interactivity and insights. Advanced calculations and scripting allow for running totals, moving averages, and complex percentage calculations. Conditional formatting dynamically highlights outliers and key data points. Transform static charts into intelligent visualizations for deeper insights. For example, Helix Sense's range sum function calculates a running total of sales across chart rows. Automating report generation involves scheduling scripts to refresh data automatically, using Python to render reports in PDF format and distributing results via email or shared dashboards. This ensures stakeholders receive timely insights, eliminates manual tasks, reduces errors, and scales reporting efficiently across projects. Focus on key insights by removing unnecessary metrics. Ensure visual consistency with uniform color schemes and fonts. Guide users with clear titles and annotations, building a logical data story. Highlight primary data by graying out secondary lines, directing attention to what truly matters. In this real-world example, we integrate ServiceNow to generate line charts comparing incident trends over time. By combining datasets, we visualize open versus closed cases, revealing resolution patterns and bottlenecks. The script processes incident data from the last 90 days, categorizing them by month to track open and closed incidents effectively. Validate data sources and connection strings to address missing or incorrect data. Use default values to prevent report failures. For chart rendering issues, verify file paths, permissions, and library compatibility. Implement logging for script debugging and test incrementally. Adjust color codes for accessibility and ensure dataset merges align correctly to avoid mismatches. Start by setting clear goals to ensure your analytics deliver business value. Choose visualizations wisely. Bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends. Keep design simple. Use scripting for advanced calculations and automate report generation for efficiency. Test with real data, iterating based on feedback to ensure accuracy and relevance. Explore sample resources like scripts and dashboards to kickstart your learning. Experiment with tools such as Quarto, Power BI Desktop, or Tableau Public to build interactive reports. Engage with online forums and user groups for support and inspiration. Transform data into compelling stories that drive impactful business decisions.